Hi, I'm Danny Lipford with today's Homeowner. We just completed a very inexpensive transformation of this outdoor living space that all started with getting the existing slab nice and clean with a pressure washer. After that, we installed some pavers around the perimeter of the existing slab, did a little bit of repair on some rotten siding. We all got together and did a little bit of painting. And then when we finished it all off with applying a coat of translucent stain on the concrete, it made it a lot more inviting, a lot more attractive, but it's hard to relax out on the patio here when you're looking out and you're seeing a lot of leaves in your yard. Chelsea, my daughter's figured out a way to make that chore of raking leaves a lot easier.
That's right, you need to go big or go home when it comes to the size of your leaf rake. This one from Ames, 26 inches wide, and it has the dual tines, 2 layers of tines, so you're able to just grab more leaves with each stroke. And you can see just how clean it can make your yard with one stroke. You don't have to worry about the leaves clogging it up. And you know, leaves on the ground is not going to cause damage to your home like leaves in your gutter can. Dad has a solution to help you keep those clean.
I've seen a lot of damage caused by people not cleaning their gutters. This is the solution. It's called the gutter brush. It's not designed to clean your gutters. It's designed to keep you from having to clean them as regular. No tools are required. It slips right in place, and an average home only costs $200 to $300 to take care of it. But one of the big concerns this time of the year is how to keep your utility bills down, and that all starts with sealing the envelope of your home. And pay particular attention to your windows.
That's right. If you have single pane windows, maybe in an older home, get Duck Brand's Max Window Kit. Comes with everything you need. You attach the double stick tape on the inside of your window, attach the plastic to that, and then use a hair dryer to shrink it to your window and create that pocket of air that's going to insulate your home for the winter season. You can find out more ways to prep your home for fall, todayshomeowner.com.